So these are our LED sensor control units. We have a single zone at the top and a double zone at the bottom. For the single zone, this gives you the option of only having one sensor on the circuit. This can be a multitude of sensors, whether it's PIR, hand, touch, door or microwave, and only has white and single LED capabilities. The double control unit allows you to have two sensors in the circuit and can be used with white, single colour and CCT tunable LED tape as well. The dip switches allow you to set the tape type and also control the time delay settings for how long you want the LED strip to stay on. For the first zone, at the top this has a hand sweep sensor on in the circuit. So you can see once you swipe your hand over, the LED will be activated. This is really good for smart furniture, displays in kitchens, under cabinets, in workspaces and any residential lighting. It's a really simple circuit and it's really great to be able to control the LED in this way. This has 0 to 100% dimming and is flicker free, and the control distance for both actually is 1 to 6 meters. And you only have the one zone. For the double zone, this is useful for things like in staircases. So if you have a sensor at the top and the bottom, so once a person walks onto the stairs, from the top or the bottom, they're both going to be activated. And the time delay is really good because once the person's walked away, then the LED will turn off after a certain point. This has 10 to 100% dimming capability and again has a control distance of 1 to 6 meters. There's also the option of a daylight sensor on here, so it will only work in certain lighting conditions.